USB 2 versus USB 3, what's the difference? And does it even matter? The short answer, yes. Long answer, if you're still using USB 2, you might as well be sending data via carrier pigeon. Let's break it down. Picture this, you are trying to transfer your legally acquired 4K movie collection and it's taking forever. Why? Because you are using USB 2, aka the dial-up of data transfer. Meanwhile, USB 3 users are already done watching movie, eating popcorns and probably curing world hunger while you are still at 12%. Here's the deal, USB 2 maxes out at 480 megabits per second. Decent, right? Wrong. That's about 60 megabytes per second in theory, but in reality it's slower than Windows update when you are in hurry. USB 3 on the other hand, a whopping 5 gigabytes per second. That's over 10 times faster. It's like upgrading from a tricycle to a Tesla car. If you are moving 10 gigabytes file, USB 2 makes you suffer a full-on existential crisis. USB 3 done in seconds. Efficiency unlocked. It's like watching a Netflix on 144p versus the glorious 4K. Sure, you could stick with USB 2, but why would you willingly suffer? What's next? Bringing back floppy disk. Okay, maybe you are thinking, how do I even know if I'm using USB 2 or USB 3? Simple, check the color of the port. USB 3 usually has a blue connector. USB 2 just boring, lifeless black. It's like the difference between Neo before and after the red pill. One is the future, the other, well, it's outdated. While we are on the topic of upgrading your tech game, let's talk about security. You can have the fastest USB drive in the world, but what if you're transferring files from an unprotected network? Congrats, you have just sent an open invitation to the hackers. That's why I use NordVPN to keep my online data locked down. Fast speed, ironclad security, because no one needs to know about your 4K movies collection. By the way, link is in the description. USB 2 had its time, but in 2025, there is zero excuse to still be using it. Unless you like slow speeds and pain, in which case you should continue using it. But for everyone else, USB 3 is the way. Or better yet, USB 3.1, 3.2 or even USB Type-C. Because at the end of the day, speed matters and nobody has got time for buffering. Smash the like button if you have ever suffered through a slow file transfer. Subscribe for more brutally honest tech breakdowns and tell me in the comments, are you still using USB 2? If so, why? And don't forget to check out the NordVPN link in the description.